Assembly of classroom bench. This is a typical classroom with 3 levels or steps. Each step is designed with a parabolic curve so that each student can interact with the faculty directly and can also see the writing board without any obstruction. The plan is based on a typical classroom at Harvard University. The various components of a bench are designed intelligently in such a way that it is easy to assemble it in 3 simple steps with just a screwdriver. The components of a bench are: 1. Top surface in plywood finished with natural veneer and finished in semi-grain melamine. 2. Brass strip to be embedded in the top to demarcate space for each student. 3. Pop-up socket with raw power and USB port. 4. Vertical legs with a hollow track to take the power supply from the floor to the pop-up box. 5. Front apron. The top and front apron are made in parts as the length is more than 2400 mm. However, all the wood grains are matched in such a way that it looks as one piece. Now let us look at the installation procedure. Step 1. Mark the leg position of the bench on the steps. Fix the L brackets in position. Now fix the leg to these L brackets. As you can see, each leg is provided with a notch to ensure that the correct position of the leg and brackets are in level with the leg surface. Step 2. Join the apron pieces as per the profile with connector bolts. Now fix the apron to the vertical legs using connector fittings. Step 3. Join the table tops as per the profile. Align the tops with apron edge. Finally, fix the top to the legs and apron using connector fittings. Our bench is now ready.